Hi! Do you want to transform your hair from curly to straight hair? Let's start. Hey black girl, welcome back to my channel. Love all. Hi!
Just like we prime our skin for a flawless makeup application, our hair needs priming too to get the most out of our styling products. Adding in a hair primer completely changed my curl game. Here I'm using the Biolage All-in-One Multi-Benefit Spray. This spray has over 25 benefits for all hair types. It instantly hydrates my curls while preventing breakage and fighting frizz. The best part? It's super lightweight, which helps me achieve voluminous, bouncy ringlets every single wash day.
Oh my god!
I know I look a little crazy right now, but as a curly girl, I use a ton of products, so it's so important that I'm going in and exfoliating my scalp to remove that product buildup and make sure that my curls are staying fresh. Of course you're gonna ask me, Keisha, how do I exfoliate my scalp? This little cute little bottle is all you need. This is from the Inculus. This is the glycolic acid exfoliating scalp scrub. This scalp scrub is a gentle exfoliant, so it has chemical and physical exfoliators that are going to help keep your follicles clean. Plus, it's the Inculus, so it's super affordable. Today's my wash day, so I start by shaking the bottle. I just go in and use the applicator to just put it on my scalp, and then I massage in. It has such a nice cooling sensation. Now, I'm just letting the scalp exfoliator sit in my hair for 10 minutes while I answer some emails, and then I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair like normal. Hello, healthy, bouncy curls.
This is how I brush style my hair for really juicy ringlets. So I make sure my hair is soaking wet throughout the process. Then I'm going to smooth my hair with the styling brush first. Then I'm going to apply tension to help clump my curls together. Sometimes I also put my hand over the brush to create more tension and create tighter curls. You can also brush curl your hair around the handle of your brush to create really juicy ringlets that last ages. And this is what it looks like. So on the left hand side there's no brush styling, and on the right it's been brush styled. And this is the finished. Sometimes it can be hard to be yourself in a world where there are such high standards and people, tell you have to be a certain kind of beautiful, or, only one type of body is being glorified in the media or something. But, Be You is really about inspiring others to feel comfortable in their own skin and embracing yourself. And it's okay to feel confident and be you. sometimes it can be hard to be yourself in a world where there are such high standards and people, tell you have to be a certain kind of beautiful, or, only one type of body is being glorified in the media or something. But, Be You is really about inspiring others to feel comfortable in their own skin and embracing yourself. And it's okay to feel confident and be you.
Say, I'ma wait till that show. Told them pipe down, I don't need no hoes. I've been out with my bros, even back then I knew I'd grow. Now I'm knocking down these doors, they ain't keeping up when I switch these flows. They don't want no smoke, can't get hot, I can play so low. I've been trying to get it, told them I'ma run it up. Out on night, so I told them go and fill my cup. Now they texting, but back then they never showed me love. They been hating since day one, dog, you looking sus. Now they switching sides, I can't mess with y'all. I could tell they ain't real, I can't get involved. Ooh, I seen them now, and they tryna call. Ooh, this summer's mine, but they tryna watch me fall. Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next up. Feeling like I'm Curry.
So this is how I blow dry my very curly hair with minimal damage. I start with a bonding treatment. I leave this in for about an hour, and once it's rinsed out, I'll mix Olaplex 6 and 7 together. These are also bonding treatments, but they work together really well as a heat protectant, and they cut down your drying time. So the tool I'm using here is the Revlon One-Step Volumizer, and I make sure to use tension at the ends to curl the ends and create lots of bounce and movement, whilst I pull it away from the root and brush away from the scalp to create lots of volume. This tool is literally like £40 or £50. It's so affordable, and it creates the most long-lasting, smooth blow dries. I literally am in love with it. So I just keep brushing with tension, and this is it finished. My hair felt so soft, and this lasted for so long. I didn't feel damaged at all because of all the bonding treatment. Okay, so this is how I diffuse my hair for definition. I'm using a technique called hover diffusing because it really doesn't disturb the curl pattern. So I'm using a high heat and a medium speed, and I'm just hovering the diffuser all over to kind of set my curls. This is about 50% dry now. I'm adding a gel mixed with some water. This is a stronghold gel. This will calm any of the frizzies down. I just glaze it over. And then I turn the speed and the heat up to full, and I just hover diffuse all over. I judge it up a bit at the root to create a little bit of lift at the root so it can pull the curls away from my scalp. And then I clip up the roots at the very front to just create some volume around my face. Continue to hover diffuse on the bits that are still a little bit damp, and that's the finished result. So this was diffusing for the goal of definition, and I'll do another video on how I diffuse for volume soon.